Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Antonio the Realtor. Today we are in Westchester at 11011 Roosevelt Road, again in Westchester. We're looking at a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom flip. Let's go take a look inside. All right, we're gonna get this property tour started. So don't forget guys, we're in Westchester touring this amazing single family home. And I forgot how many bedrooms, but somebody here knows how many bedrooms there are. This is my good friend here. How are you?
Good. How are you, Antonio?
I am doing good. She is the listing agent. Why don't you tell everybody your name?
Hi, my name is Rose Shams and I'm with HomeSmart Realty Group. And the address of this property is 11011 Roosevelt Road, Westchester, Illinois.
Yeah, so if you guys want to see the property, you can connect with either one of us. But if you go into like the GPS, Google Maps, and you're typing 11011, don't put West Roosevelt, just put Roosevelt. Because if you put the W in there, you'll end up at Walgreens. The W is for Walgreens.
Yes, so don't put West.
Don't put West. So let's get the property tour started. So first things first, people come in, they walk in, and they get to see this amazing living room. So the question that I have for you, okay? I know you do some interior designing, right?
Yes.
Where does the TV go? Where are you putting the TV?
So we did some virtual staging. So there are two options. TV can go on this wall if they want. If they have a bigger couch, TV can come here in the corner and they can tilt it this way. So the sectional can come this way and they can have a TV this way. Or if they have a credenza, they can put the credenza here and they can put the TV on the top.
You see, that's how you know she's an interior designer, because I would have never have said the word credenza in one of my videos. So yeah, absolutely. We can put a credenza wherever you want. So if the TV's here, you think the sectional, like this way?
No, the sectional should be this way, or they can have a sectional this way. So they can have, we have a beautiful can lights, so the light will disperse the whole area.
Yeah.
So we're not worried about the light. So either the sectional can go this way, that's the best way to do that. And they can have one chair here and a coffee table here. And
so like they put like a lazy boy right here or
yes,
something.
100%.
Yeah, because the reason why I said this way was because I'm used to having like the room separated. Since there's no wall and it's open concept, I feel like having the couch like this would separate. But to your point, the whole point of having it open is that people can actually go that way.
So they can have a breakfast table over there.
Yeah,
and they can all area together. And it's a beautiful new kitchen with new appliances. So they can have a breakfast table this way, they can have it this way, or if they want, if I would be buying this house, I'll put a small round table so it can be, it's kind of like a square room.
Yeah.
So anyway, they can work together depending on what table they have.
That makes
so
a lot of sense.
It's a very open concept.
That makes a lot of sense, If you guys didn't see, back over here really quick, I want to point out that we have ductwork over here, okay, for forced air, and then over here, that's our heat source.
Yes.
Correct. So this is our heat source. So we have air on one side, heat on the other. That's pretty cool. So they rehab the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen, the hardwood floor. It's a split level house. So a few stairs here. There's a basement also. It's a kind of like I will say walkout basement, and 3 bedrooms upstairs and 1 bathroom, and there's 1 full bathroom downstairs as well.
Gotcha. Let's take a look at the close-ups of the kitchen really quick. So nice Whirlpool appliances, both your stove and the microwave, which is cool. I'm used to seeing like GE, or I'll see Samsung. This is the first time in a while I've seen Whirlpool. Listen, somebody dropped their phone in the Whirlpool and now it's going down. Good. So nice appliances. The cabinets are really cool. Oh, look at the cabinets. They have the black handles on them. I like them, and I bet you they're those fancy cabinets that do this. See that? Check that out. It's super nice. And I wouldn't worry so much about that. That's okay. There you go. Soft closing cabinets, super cool. Now this here,
Quartz counters.
Quartz countertops. I do like these. And Vernice, if you could, get a close-up of these. These are nice. I mean, I see them all the time, but especially in front of the windows, you got the light shining through. I like the way that glistens here and there.
It has a glitter in it.
Yeah, I like it. I like it because sometimes they're just white, you know. But this adds a nice depth to it. Water pressure looks good. Everyone that watches the videos knows that I like trying out the sink all the time.
It's a big bowl sink, one bowl.
Yeah.
And look at this beautiful backsplash.
That is a nice
it's very
backsplash.
nice. It's a glass tile. It's kind of like
Less
nice.
style, and this is cool. That's a nice light. Oh, and it's white. Sometimes people put a rehab. They'll make everything white, and then they'll have the bulb be too warm, and it'll be like yellow light. I don't like yellow light. I like
white.
it. I like it. The cool color white light. Okay. So this was the kitchen.
Yes.
Oh, and there is a
Dishwasher.
A dishwasher, you guys.
Dishwasher.
Just to point that out, there is a dishwasher. So pretty cool. I say we go upstairs to the bedrooms now.
Yes, let's go.
Okay. Let's check out these bedrooms. So how many were there?
3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms. Okay. Which one do you want to go to first? This one. Okay, cool. And the hardwood floors are really nice.
Yes.
All right.
1 bedroom is this.
What size bed do you think can go in here? The biggest size. What do you think?
I think king size will fit very
King
easily.
size.
Yes.
Nice.
And the furniture placement, I can tell as you are walking in, the main wall is this one focal wall, so the bed should be facing this way and going like this. So look at this king size bed, 2 nightstand or 1 nightstand if they want. They can have, if they want to have a small dresser, they can fit in.
I agree.
Windows are brand new.
Oh, the windows are new. That's
Yes.
great. Guys, for those of you out there looking to buy a house, normally when we go into houses, the windows are not new. So the fact that it's rehab is great. Sometimes when people say rehabs, they updated stuff, but they didn't do big things like windows. Windows are one of the biggest expenses when it comes to rehabbing a home, and they're new. So I would probably take a look at this one. This is nice. Good size closet. Okay, there is an LED light up there, just so that you know. But in the world of closets, this one, it's a long closet. It's deep enough so that you can put your clothes in there comfortably. You know, the clothes won't touch when you put them on the hanger. It won't touch the wall. It's a nice deep size. We're gonna go this way now to one of the next bedrooms. The next of the 3 bedrooms. Here we go.
This has a very good size as well. And depending on this wall, so what I will do it on this room, I will put the furniture on this wall. Where Tony's standing, so it will go this way.
So the bed or the furniture?
The bed.
The bed's
the bed will come this way.
Okay, headboard
Yes.
along here. You're
Correct.
going this way, and then maybe a dresser?
A
Maybe
dresser. Dresser can come over there actually, and they can put the TV over there as well if
Nice.
they want to have a TV.
So maybe like a nice low dresser here.
Yes.
Television
And
there.
they can put the TV on top.
Nice.
Yep.
And then again, people
closet.
love seeing the closets. So
Yes.
good. Nice. Okay, good sized closet. Now number 3.
Number 3 bedroom.
Yep. Ooh.
There is a hallway also closet, linen closet.
Here, let's open that up. Everyone's gonna say, they'll put it in the video. Antonio, can you go back to the house and show me the closet? It's like, oh no. Like, why not? Why not? You just knock it out right now. All right, so let's take a look at that bedroom.
Let's look. This is the 3rd bedroom, and look at the size of this bedroom too. Very nice size. So I will put the bed on this wall here where I'm standing.
Okay.
They can have a king size bed if they want, but if they want a queen size, we have a space for the dresser over there. They can put like a chest of drawers here if they want to. It's a pretty big size room.
Yeah, nice. And then we're in the back of the property now. You could see outside to the yard, but let's. While you're doing that, I'm gonna come this way again. Show everybody these closets. Really nice sliding doors. Good sized closet. Here's here.
Yes, spacious.
Spacious. See, look at that. Let's see. I'm in it. I'm in it to win.
Yeah.
We have a bathroom.
We have a beautiful upgraded bathroom here.
I took a peek at it. It does look good.
Yes.
Here, Bernice, why don't you go ahead and show them the bathroom really quick.
Beautiful white marble tiles and all that. With a nice sink, black accessories here with a black frame, towel racks, nice head, shower head, and the window is there. Look at the pressure of the water. So good.
Look at that water pressure. Check that out. It is good water pressure. And then to the point here, I always like it when they finish off the bathrooms with the corners, with the black corners, especially when your tile is like black and gray.
Yes.
Sometimes they don't do that. They make them white, and then it doesn't look exactly the way it can. The contrast is really cool for me when you see this, and then they put in the right accents. Sometimes they put like the silver you know, they'll put silver in here, but it's nice. Everything in here.
So, as an interior designer also, so I help my client how to pick the fixtures and how to match everything because I'm very particular what they are doing with the color combination. I don't want the black with the gold or something is gold or black or silver as Tony was mentioning.
Yeah.
It should be very consistently done with the colors. So I'm going to show you one more thing that a lot of people don't know when they're doing rehab. So
Yeah, here, let me
look
move
at
out
the,
here,
bring it. So we went out a little bit from the tub. Some people do it just right there. The water will come outside, but this way water will not come. Water will stay inside.
Nice.
That is very important. So go some out.
Okay.
So just want to let you know.
Speaking of going out, I think we should go out to the yard really quick. We can take a look at the yard, and I think you'll need a jacket because it is cold today.
Yes, I'll take my jacket.
Perfect. And then, guys, while she's getting her jacket, I just want you to know that if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to connect with either myself or this wonderful young lady here, you'll be able to find her information in the actual video description. You can go ahead and grab your jacket. Okay. Yeah, in the video description. So we are in Westchester. It's minutes off of the 290 Expressway. If you're not familiar with where Westchester is, going east, we're going to see Berwyn, we're going to see Cicero, and then going north, we'll see Hillside. If you go northwest, you will see Merrill's Park. But off the 290 Expressway from Chicago, it's probably like a 15 or 20 minute drive from downtown Chicago down the 290 Expressway. So centralized, pretty
Very close
nice.
by to Oakbrook Mall.
Yes.
Not too far away from here at all. A lot of shopping, a lot of good restaurants and all that. So it's a very centrally located.
Yes. Do you know the property taxes here?
I don't know on top of my head, but I'll let you know. in a few minutes.
I know, like Berwyn. If this house was in Berwyn, I say the taxes might be like $8,000. If it was in Cicero, $7,500. There's probably like $9,000 at least.
Let me check and I'll let you know.
Sure. No.
Yes.
Well, definitely, absolutely. Which way? How do we get out?
We can go from here.
Let's go this way. Follow us, guys. I did want to show off the yard because they have a really nice fence out
We have
here.
a fenced yard. So after the weather is a little better today, but still a little
Yeah,
cooler.
not too bad, but like it's getting better. It's
Yes.
getting better.
So we have a 2-car garage here.
Yep, 2-car garage. There we go. And
Yes.
the yard's a nice size.
It's a good size yard.
The yard's in a really good
So
size.
this is a walkout, as I was mentioning. There are stairs. Somebody can go from here as well. And very nice yard, spacious, depending on, because we're just finishing up the winter and all that. So
Yeah, here, let's leave it open a little bit. You're good, you're good, you're good. Yeah, so this
Okay.
is the yard. No, really nice yard. We do also have to show you guys the basement. We have to go to the basement also.
Before we go, let me show you the garage.
Yeah, let's go see the
Yes.
garage, definitely. For the people watching, I don't want them
Yes.
thinking that the yard is the last thing. It's not.
No.
We still got to go downstairs to the basement. Ooh, I like this.
Yes.
Ooh, I like it. It's a humongous garage, everybody.
Yes.
The floor has the sprinkles, and I like saying this in the video. You know that the evidence would suggest that sometime during the construction or the rehabilitation of the garage, somebody was walking around doing this with the sprinkles, throwing them everywhere. And I can imagine in my mind somebody like really happy because they're getting the coverage and they're making it look nice. This looks good. This is great. This like blue, black, and white sprinkles.
Yes, that gives it a little bit cleaner effect. So sometimes the guys can hang out in the garage. It's clean
Yeah.
space and it's a man cave. Some people like to. And it opens into the alley. Alley is very clean and tidy. So it's an extra space here.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Absolutely.
it's a bigger than 2-car. Actually, it's a 2.5-car garage.
You can
it's
tell.
very bigger. Yes.
You can definitely
Okay,
tell.
Let's go see the downstairs.
Yeah, let's go in the basement. Let's go see that. Yeah, so far so good. I like it. It's a lot of space,
Yeah.
you know. 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, and then wait, is there another bathroom downstairs?
Yes.
Oh, can't wait to see that. After you. Here we go. So the basement.
So this is the entertaining room. New windows. So look at that ample light and all that. So they can put the pool table tennis table, put a sofa,
I love
a
playing.
couch.
I love pool and I love chess.
Yes, so it's enough like a space. They can hang out with the kids, family can get it over and all that and do stuff. A lot of entertaining in the kids area.
Well, I like this. I like this.
Yes.
This is where you have your water,
Yes,
your water
the
shut
water
off.
meter and all that shut off is here.
Yeah,
yes.
water meter, water shut off. They got little shelves in here just in case, like almost a tool, like a place where you can put your tools at least, right?
Yep.
But as far as like the floors, laminate flooring, LED lighting on the top, and then
Right.
your vents are in the ceiling as well, so that hot air in the the
Windows.
winter is
So
going to
this
come
is
down.
a utility area here. Your washer and dryer hookups are here. And
Perfect.
that door is going out where I showed you the windows. We have tankless water heater.
Oh, nice.
Yes, because of the space and all that.
that's
It's
always good.
all brand new.
Oh, that's awesome.
And here's your sump pump, your battery backup.
Super important, everybody. Make
Yes.
sure that you have your inspector make sure that the sump pump works. They can run a test, throw water in there, or they can mess with the mechanism that's going to cause it to start. And then as far as your battery backup, make sure that you're having, power go to it, because the last thing, and then it's charged and it's charging, because the last thing you want is for the power to go out. There's a heavy rain, and all of a sudden that thing was never charged. And then you got a little bit, you got water damage. You don't want to go through that. You already know how it is.
So let me show you the bathroom we have here. One full bathroom.
There you go.
Okay, you come on in, look at this standing shower.
Oh, that's nice.
So we maintain the same color scheme here as well, white and black with
Excellent.
tiles and all that, so it can give the same look of the house and all.
One of my favorite tiles.
Niche, yes.
I do like this, and then we have it on the floor. You guys already know. Oh, is that a sink? Let me
Yep.
get that sink really quick. Good water pressure, you guys. I
Yep.
promise. Give you a good water pressure guarantee.
So if somebody have an elderly person, they recommend standing shower, so it's a very great feature to have it.
Yes. So guys, that is more or less it. Oh, actually, hold on one second.
We have a crawl space here. It's a big crawl for storage. If you want, I can show you.
Yeah, why not? We're here, right? We might as well get the crawl space.
Here. It's a lot of space for storage.
That is a lot of
Yes.
a lot of space. Oh, and there's light. Oh, there's a window down there.
Yes.
So you get light.
Yes.
So
you get
that's-
and it's all the concrete is poured there. It's already there. It's not a gravel or
I do
anything.
like the fact that it's
Yes.
dry and then there's concrete.
Yes.
That's
it's a lot of
awesome.
space.
That's awesome, and that's important because sometimes when you get crawl spaces, they're dirty, they're wet. This one's
Yes.
very dry. It looks to be in good condition, and there's access to the ductwork downstairs, which is the ductwork that's coming into the living
Correct.
room upstairs.
Yes.
So fantastic. So guys, if you want to schedule a private tour of the property, you can find both of our information in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos, you can click on this side. If you want to see more videos in the suburbs like Westchester, Cicero, Berwyn, you can click on that side or subscribe in the middle. But that was Antonio the Realtor. Thank you so much for letting us.
Thank you so much.
It's
So nice
fantastic.
meeting you too.
Absolutely. You'll see us in more videos together. So
Yes. Thank you.
take care, guys.